Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're on TikTok. So I'm not going to do a tutorial on TikTok, but I am going to show you something that in Canada, from what I've seen, this is what they're doing right now. You will. This is what I'm doing right now. So basically what I'm doing right now here is I'm earning points. Now these points can allow you to earn and redeem gift cards. So I currently just watched 5 sponsored videos and did surveys on them, and I earned about 600 points per survey. So 600 points times 5 videos, that's about 3,000 points right there. So I went from 1,000 points to about 4,000 points here. And if you go to redeem, it gives you the option to what you can redeem it for. So basically 4,000 points, there's not really much that you can redeem for right now at 4,000 points. That's like the equivalent of 40 cents. So if you earn more points, you can redeem it for gift cards like the PlayStation gift cards, eBay, Nintendo eShop, Sephora, Amazon, Walmart, and Subway, and all these other brands. So that's interesting. So if you go to all, it sorts it by all, then by shopping, and then digital, and drink and food. So these are the 2 restaurants that you can earn gift cards for. So there's a way that you can earn points, and you can just click on the invite code here so that you can invite friends so that you can do that. So you can copy the invite link, you can send it to your friends, and if you click on it, you'll earn points up to $30, which is really cool. So you can earn more points, redeem more gift cards, and it works because I already know how to use TikTok. TikTok is basically like Clapper when you've seen my last video, so that's how it's very similar. So you can earn up to 63.26k points, so that's 63,200 points, worth $6.32 when you complete a survey streak. So today we just did 1 day, and that was about 3,000 points. So if you keep going through the other days, then you'll earn 3, 6, that's about 63,000 points right there, worth $6. And then you can also earn more as you go along. And then there's also invite a friend, both get a $25 gift card. So we can share this reward. So I'll have the links in the description below, so that way you can click on it. And you can also donate to charities as well. If you like donating to charities, this is one way. And then there's a $6.32 reward that you can just keep going through. Okay, we just went through this. But this is what they're doing now from what I've seen in Canada. I don't know if they're doing this in the States, but they're probably just showcasing this way to incentivize more people to come onto TikTok. So I just thought I'd show you this. Have a great day. We'll see you next time for another video. And you can click on the links in the description below to become part of the gift card frenzy.